We can't change completely in the first days of the new year, but 1% improvement daily can transform us. What if 2025 creates wonders for you? How can you get your maximum success in 2025? How can I manifest all my dreams comes true or happening? All the answers are described in this video. By improving 1% a day, you will improve 365% a year by the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. Since 2017, I was a 8th classer. So in that level, I want to improve myself fastly. So I want to check the goals of my new year since 2017. Then in that days, I wrote in a journal of my goals. What are my goals? How can I work for that in the new year first day? In the first day of the new year, it will be a complete successful working. But what about the second day? In the second day, I lost all my control and I scrolled the phone and so on. So what is the problem here? The problem here is the you mindset, because we are not robots, we are humans. So we want to adapt, we want to evolve. As a cell evolved into a human, Homo sapiens, we want to evolve every day by 1%. So I kept a journal in my hands in every day. In the last hour, I will journal for the 5 questions that will be described in the last part of this video. So stay tuned. My name is Delwin Raju, and this video in the playlist of life productivity. So if you don't watch it, then let's go and check it. In this channel, I can help 2 types of people. The first type is I have a big goals and dreams in my life from my childhood. So I developed my goals into a working. First of all, I want to be a physics researcher. Secondly, I want to be a Carnatic singer. And thirdly, I want to be a yoga champion in some school games or college games, etc. So that's my 3 goals. I dream big. So those who are dream big is my companions, and the other people I can help is in the 10 to plus 2. I have multiple things in my hand. Like I was a Carnatic musician and ukulele player and the NSS leader and yoga athlete. And for all this stuff, I want to make a full A plus in my plus 2. So how can I do that? So I improved daily and I got all the stuff in my hand. I got full A plus in plus 2, 6A plus. So I can share some productivity tips that I have been used earlier. So only if you are interested, just subscribe. Segment 1, dream big. I have 3 questions for you to dream big. Not only dream big, this question will help you to work for it. So the first question is, what is a thing that when you do it, you will be like in heaven? You can feel the experience of you are in heaven and very excited and very happy to do that stuff. The second question is, who is the one that is the inspiration of you? For example, I want to be a YouTuber like Ali Abdal, the productivity tips sharing YouTuber. So for like that, you want to be specialized, one who is specialized in your field. The third question is, how can I work for it? These questions better tailor your dream. Segment 2, smart goals. Okay, you dreamed very big and very big. So what about now? You have no control of your dream. So what do you do now is to break that goal or dream into some smaller segments. Like if I want to grow like Ali Abdal, if you want to grow like Ali Abdal, then I want to segmentize that what work he done. He recorded the video and he has all the facilities and he worked for it daily. So what I want to do is to set smart goal. So what is a smart goal? The question remains the same. The SMART goal is SMART. It is an acronym. The S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, and A stands for achievable, and R stands for relevant, and T stands for time bound. So if you are setting a goal, you want to be time bound and relevant and achievable and measurable and very smart, means specific. So I set the SMART goal. Example, I will record every week Sunday 6 p.m. I will upload video, whatever the things will be. So it is in my control and I can do it. Segment 3, atomic habits. So next question is, what is the one thing that differs from me and him? So that's the question and my answer is, it is only the 2 things, the time and effort. So if you use your time and effort in correct manner, then you will achieve it perfectly, and it is by law of attraction. So in the book of James Clear, Atomic Habits, he is saying that all the objects in our universe is made of the tiny atoms. So the atom, not one atom, millions of atoms. So you want to create a habit to develop these atoms. And for like another example is, in science there is an effect called butterfly effect. So if a butterfly flaps her wings, then the tiny change can create an hurricane. That's Interesting, isn't it? Small changes can create big difference. If you improve 1% by a day, you can improve 365% by a year. It is 100% working. I tried it. You can try it also. So your goal is, how can I turn this goal into a habit? So if your habit 60% of your life is doing all the unconscious thing, like brushing your teeth. So you want to unconsciously do it every day. So you want to create it as a habit, then it will manifest. Segment 4, environment. The Pareto principle states that the behavior of you is determined by the 5% sitting your surroundings. It is the Pareto principle and very popular one. And what about this? You want to fit your environment with the great peoples and the great things. Like in your phone, you want to be very productive. You want to do very productive things. Segment 5, growth mindset. My Benny sir told a story about this. If you kept a cup full of water and you can't fill it with another water, but if you kept your cup empty, then you can fill it lifelongly. It's the mindset of lifelong learner. When you want to say, I know nothing about this universe. I am 0.0001% of this universe. So I want to be a lifelong learner. I want to be steady. Every day I want to study. So you want to develop a great habit called, you want to read the books every day. And the second habit is, you want to solve the problems in each day. Segment 6, systems. Do you know the McDonald's? In the every hotels of McDonald's, the same system and the same tastes of the dishes you can experience. So what is the secret ingredient in there is the systems. In the every McDonald's, there is a system to apply a delicious meal. So for that, you can ask yourself, what system can I want to make this dream happen? Segment 7, action. In the movie of Simba, you noticed a scene where Simba come and a monkey will turn his arrow to his head, and in the first place he will shot and beat it, and he said and in the second term, when he beat him, he turn his head around and missed it. So you can either learn or you can turn your failures into lessons. Segment 8, journaling. The 5 questions I ask every day is, the first question is, what is the best moment happened today? And the second question is, what is the lawful moment happened today? And the third question is, what one step do you take toward your goals? And the fourth question is, what is the unique way that unique thing happened in your today? And what are the 3 things that you are grateful for? If you want to change your phone into a productive thing, then click this end screen. Then I will see you there. Bye.